We're back on Little Glitter, but we're actually going to cut right onto the Z-line connector. Now this is a cool little black tech trail that branches off here. It looks like it's got some flow to it. Little roller, little jump. Oh, don't take that ride. Woo! Oh, this is sick. Looks like you could huck that if you wanted to. And then we got a drop. This is kind of cool. If you really want to get over to Timberline, this is a great way. I believe there's a little hidden downhill here. Nice. And now we're actually back onto Timberline.